You buy some Bitcoin, there's a fee. You transfer it to your wallet, another fee. Want to cash out? Hold on, gotta pay the fee, man. It's enough to make you want to abandon the whole digital gold rush altogether. But wait. Before you toss your phone in disgust, there might be a crypto exchange out there that's a little more, well, fee-friendly. That's where Newton comes in. Today, we're diving deep into Newton's fee structure, uncovering the good, the bad, and the crypto why. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how much those crypto transactions are actually going to cost you on Newton. First things first, Newton advertises itself as a no-fee exchange. Now, hold on to your horses. While they might not be hitting you with explicit service charges, there are fees lurking in the shadows. Let's talk about the sneaky one, the spread. Imagine you're at a currency exchange booth at the airport. They advertise a great rate for euros, but when you look closer, the rate they give you is a little less than ideal. That's the spread in action. Newton works similarly. They buy crypto at a lower price than they sell it to you. This hidden difference is your fee. Now, the good news is, Newton's spread is generally considered quite competitive, ranging between 1% and 1.5%, depending on the specific cryptocurrency. So, it's not a ripoff, but it's definitely not free. Here's the thing, some folks might find a 1% spread perfectly reasonable, especially considering the ease of use and beginner-friendly approach Newton offers. But, for seasoned crypto traders looking for the absolute tightest margins, that spread might be a deal-breaker. Okay, so we covered the trading fees, but what about deposits and withdrawals? Thankfully, Newton offers a sigh of relief here. Deposits using Interac e-Transfer, a popular Canadian payment method, are completely free. Withdrawals of fiat currency, like good old Canadian dollars, through the same method are also free. That's a win for Canadians. However, for international users or those using other methods, there might be fees associated with depositing and withdrawing fiat currency. It's always best to check Newton's website or app for the latest rates before you commit. Now, let's talk crypto withdrawals. This is where things get a little more complex. Newton covers the first $5 of your withdrawal fees, but only for the first withdrawal within a 24-hour period. After that, you're on the hook for any additional blockchain fees, which can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network traffic. So, while Newton helps shoulder some of the burden, it's not a complete free ride when it comes to moving your crypto out of the platform. Here's the bottom line. Newton offers a user-friendly experience with a competitive spread, making it a solid option for beginners or those who prioritize convenience. However, experienced traders might find the fees a touch on the high side. The free deposits and withdrawals for Canadians using Interac e-Transfer are a definite perk, while the covered withdrawal fees, up to $5, are a nice touch. Just remember, those blockchain fees can sneak up on you. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.